Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the power expressions with negative exponent value. With negative exponent value. So far in indices lesson 1 and indices lesson 2, we discussed about the different rules related to the indices. Now we are going to learn how to solve the questions which are having the negative indices. For example, I have a raised to the power of -1. So always remember, whenever we have to solve the indices, this is the best way that you keep all the indices as a positive. So whenever you have to make an indices positive, just change its place. How? Now this is a number, a power expression with a base a. This is in the numerator only. So if you want to make this exponent value -1 as a positive, just bring it to the denominator and change the sign of this exponent value. So now it will become +1. So because this a to the power -1 here, this a was in the numerator. So to make this -1 exponent as a +1 exponent, we brought it to the denominator. Same way, if you have any number in denominator or a power expression in denominator with a negative exponent value, you can bring it to the numerator and keep this exponent value as positive. So it will become now 2 raised to the power of +3. Okay. So if the negative exponent is in numerator, you bring the whole power expression to the denominator and make the exponent as positive. And here the power expression, which was having a negative exponent, was in denominator, and we brought it to the numerator. Now this you can write divide by 1, but there is no need of writing 1 because if the denominator is 1, we can skip it even. So this is 2 raised to the power of 3. This rule can be applicable for the negative fractional exponent values also. For example, let's say we have a to the power of -2/3. So this also we can make positive exponent by bringing it denominator a raised to the power of 2/3. Do not make any changes to 2, 3. Don't make it 3/2 or something like that. No. Some students, they might do it like 3/2. No. You always have to bring your this power expression from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator if the exponent value is negative and you want to make it positive. For example, I have 2 raised to the power of -4. So this will become 1/2 raised to the power of +4. So this is all about the indices with the negative exponent values. If the exponent values are positive, then we simplify them normally. So 3 square is like 3 times 3, which is 9. And if we have an exponent value 0, so any finite value raised to the power 0 is always 1. And if you have any big expression, let's say 2x square y to the power of -1, still you can apply the same law of negative exponent. So you will make it 1/2x squared y whole raised to the power of +1. What if you have 3 times 2x squared y squared raised to the power of -3? So here this 3 is positive, so no need to do anything with this 3. Keep it like this and times it by, because this 3 and this thing, you can write it like 3 times 2x squared y squared raised to the power of -3 also. And then here 3 is a positive number, so keep it as it is. Just bring this part to the denominator to make the exponent value as +3. So it will be 2x squared y squared whole raised to the power of +3. Okay, so this is all about the negative index value. Thank you.